Hi, today I want to share with you how this vehicle could get up so high in the mountains with ease and agility. And how in this vehicle everything has been cleverly designed. Yeah, that's the thing about this vehicle. I don't know where to start. And with that said, hi and welcome to today's cover off as we take the covers off the whole new Land Rover Defender. If I could do all things through Christ who strengthens me was a vehicle, the Defender will definitely suit that verse. Okay, how about we start here? The Defender with the two-door is a Defender 90 and the one with four-door is a Defender 110. Well, I personally think that the Land Rover Defender looks very beautiful. They've nailed the design. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Now, the Defender comes with two body designs, four accessory packages, and 6 models to choose from. All Defenders will be all-wheel drive auto, and they will come in a diesel form and petrol. And this time around, they've decided to include a hybrid version. The vehicle has a great ground clearance and comes with an optional sliding roof, or you can opt for a foldable roof. The vehicle comes with Terrain Response 2, which the vehicle will analyze the road you're driving on and choose the best terrain program. The vehicle also comes with tow assist to steer the trailer in the right direction of up to 3,500 kg. The Defender can go up to 900 millimeters of water depth. The vehicle comes with traction control system that maximize available grip to ensure a smooth pull away. Like an African woman who will carry a bucket load on her head, this vehicle can carry up to 300 kg on its roof. Then it is with no doubt that this vehicle can articulate any task easily and swiftly. And did I mention 18 inches is the wheels that you get standard on this vehicle. However, if you want to look dapper, you've got a 22 inches to choose from. Then the vehicle comes standard with all-season tires. Optional are the off-road tires and a full spare wheel to get you back on your journey. The vehicle then comes with also a system that makes sure you don't roll back. However, when you pull off, it makes sure that you don't pull off too quick. The audio on my background is to give an idea of how far this vehicle can go. If you have damaged or scratched the paintwork on your vehicle, it's simple here. You peel it off, visit the dealer, and they can paste you some new paint. So you can get back on the road to scratch it again and cut and paste. The interior is not surprising on how it looks from the outside. However, I think the National Geographic scientist will be very much happy to be inside. The vehicle also has an option of a jump seat. That's the seat in the middle between the passenger and the driver. So you'll get 3 people in front. Flash door seals makes it easy to clean, and using hard materials inside makes it, guess what? A durable vehicle. It also comes with an induction charger, or what we call a wireless charger. There's also what we call in the vehicle cabin air ionization that improves the air quality and reducing allergies and bacteria. You have full view of outside thanks to this big windows that allows you to see everything that's happening. Proof that this is a family vehicle, it also comes with 7 USBs. The Defender also comes with heated seats for all 3 rows. The vehicle will also give you live video feed so you can avoid all obstacles in your path. It also comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You are sure never to get lost with the maps on the PV Pro infotainment screen. 3D surround cam will provide a 3D perspective of what's happening outside, especially when you are parking that big vehicle. The vehicle will also let you know when you are about to cross the max 900 millimeters water depth. As I've said in the video earlier, that it will give you a live feed to avoid all obstacles. For your entertainment, the Defender comes with a Meridiane sound system which consists of 15 speakers to make sure it puts a smile on your face. The vehicle also uses what they call matrix lights, which dims the side of the oncoming vehicle. Smart. Please comment below and tell me which one would you rather opt to go with, the Land Rover Defender or the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Thank you very much for joining me on today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as we will be taking the cover off a new vehicle.